You are now watching Earning with Bits. Today we are going to take a look at Coinpayu, my favorite PTC website online. You can get started by logging in with your Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged in, you are going to see your dashboard on the left-hand side and your balance in the middle on the bottom of the page. Go back to your dashboard. Here you have your browsing, offers, surveys and advertising. Click on browsing and select frameless ads. Here you will see a list of ads you can watch for points. Select one of the ads and visit the website until the timer runs out. Your points should be credited to your balance. Now watch all the websites in the frameless and framed ads. When you hit the minimum withdrawal amount, you are going to want to cash out. Go to the top right of your screen and click on your balance. Now select the coin you want to withdraw. Scroll down and select Faucet Pay. Select the coin you want to withdraw and complete the payment. You will get your withdrawal within a few hours. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.